This is Archetypal Trader. This is the third video today. The third video for the 20th of the 7th, 2021. So I'm going to cover Link and Sushi under 10 minutes. So I'll just go straight to the Link weekly chart. So where are we? Throwing Ikamoko on, we had a TK cross just in the weekly candle close this week. So yeah, we've made a lower low within the candle body structure. So we broke this $18 level and we closed at $15.40, which isn't great. Also to note, the Kumo has flipped, and I'll put CQ span B on. That's the white line on the Kumo. And we can see that we're starting to trade under that, but it's intra-week, so that's that. What's really concerning on the Link chart is that we're trading below these previous wicks now. So that was $15. So this is a hell of a correction for old Link. It has been the poster child of DeFi and altcoins, I guess you could say. It didn't really have a bear market through the last bear market. It just rallied all the way through, but it sort of might be losing its narrative within the marketplace. 74% correction. So yeah, 88.6 is down at $6.40. That could be an interesting level. I'll take Ikamoko back off. But yeah, we are coming back into this bull fractal here. We can see that we have wicked previously in those fractals, but yeah, if we were to see a close underneath these wicks, that'd be breaking these two previous bull fractals, and that'd be a lot of money coming out of the market, and it'd be pretty bearish for Link long term, if not already. So yeah, we can see that volume's really starting to taper off. The moving average is moving back down to the 1 by 1, and that's the $52 million level because it's a weekly chart. So yeah, there's something to note. Like all markets, volume is decreasing. So I'll leave it there for the weekly. Let's go to the daily. So yeah, you can really see the damage that yesterday's close has really caused because we've broken these two. I'll mark that one as well. It's in the exact same level, $15. How's about that? So yeah, we broke that yesterday, and price continues to move down further. Like at ADA, we're starting to wash out the market. The oscillators is getting under 30, which is a good sign, but it's going to take maybe a few months for that to clean itself up and we can have a counter trend rally back up. But yeah, downside is definitely looking strong at the moment. Ikamoko, similar. We had the TK cross underneath the cloud on the 14th of July, like other coins. Yeah, and just breaking that horizontal support resistance isn't good at all. So what else? Volume. Let's look at the volume. Yeah, so the moving average in volume is 5.28 million. When was that last time? We were at that 5.28 million. That was July 20th. So interesting to see. We've got a higher $5 back then. And as I said on the weekly, the 88.6 is $6. Though, yeah, you can see volume isn't being supported in any of these markets, hence price is collapsing because volume and price and time are one. Moving over to Sushi on the weekly. So, yeah, there's not that much data on Sushi. Price is moving down to the 78.6. We didn't lose that much horizontal support resistance from a weekly perspective. 88.6 is down at $3. We're intra-week trading underneath this $6.29 bear fractal, and yeah, the line in the sand at the moment is $5.96 from a weekly standpoint. That's the low. So yeah, it's quite similar, over a 77% retracement on Sushi. There's not enough data for Ikamoko, so I'll move over to the daily chart. So looking at the daily, it's holding up a little bit better than Link, as I just mentioned on the weekly. You can put Ikamoko on. Bearish TK cross happened on the 16th of July. And yeah, we're just testing this horizontal support at the moment. I'll just jump back over to the weekly. Yeah, funnily enough, this is USDT Sushi on Binance. I don't see a bull fractal there, so that's not great. Volume also currently at 4.6 million. We had lower volume down in this area back in the 9th of April. Sushi is sort of somewhat similar to Synex. Actually, I haven't seen this before I made the video. I would like to know the daily count. Okay, so that's interesting. So maybe we might get a bounce, a counter trend rally here, because it doesn't have to happen, but I think 135 bar that's an 8th harmonic. It's a 45-degree angle, or 3/8 of a year. So yeah, we may get a bounce up coming into day 135 into day 144. That'd be interesting. But if we make a daily candle close underneath these lows here, perhaps that won't take place. I'll go to the 4 hour. So yeah, the 4 hours breaking bear fractals, and they're back testing the breaks. Everything's bearish on it. We are finding a tiny bit of support there. I'll take Ikamoko off just to keep the chart nice and clean. We've got that fractal area. We haven't quite broken that area yet, but yeah. Low volume. Things aren't looking great for Sushi either. So yeah, hands are both well and truly off Link and Sushi. I did hold some Link, and yeah, I got rid of the last amount of Link I had in May. Like many other coins, I don't want the exposure. Holding spot altcoins at this point in the market. So yeah, I'll leave the video there. Please like, share, subscribe. I've done 3 videos today, so I'll link them in the description box below so you can check those out if you only get to see this one. Yeah, leave a comment. Happy trading.